Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply this neon glow effect to your videos on CapCut PC. So I just selected this video randomly and I'm just going to go to the effects section and I'm going to type in neon and I'm just going to place it here. And I'm also going to go to nature and I'm going to add in the luminance. I'm just going to delete the filters and I'm just going to adjust the strength a little bit. You can add it before or after you've selected the color. I'm also going to just select this purple color real quick. Blend mode, linear burn. If you don't like the red, just go back here and then go to adjustments and you're going to make sure you turn down the saturation to, I think what I'm going to do is actually I'm just going to place it on top like this and then place the saturation adjustments here. So you can see that it's purple now. And I think I'm going to add in the luminance on top like that. I actually quite like the color, but if you don't like it, just turn down the filter. Alright, once you are done with everything, you're just going to select this, right click, create compound clip. Go to video, go to blend mode, and select screen. Okay, so here's the before, it's the after. Can't quite see it that much. Then you're going to go to nightclub or whatever and try to find strobe or flicker. I think flicker will work better than that. And place it here only so that the glow will only appear sometimes. You can also adjust the effects on it and the speed. I don't know why you can't do that here. What about this one? Can you? Let's see, black flash maybe will work a little bit better. Or black fade. Let me see. Hopefully I can adjust the speed. If not, I think you're just going to leave it like that. Or if you like flicker a little bit better, then you could. But I don't know why you cannot adjust the speed. But I'm just going to use flicker. That's it, and that's how you can create like a neon animation. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.